Okay, this is my Mini Cooper Clubman S 2014, and I will be replacing the spark plugs and the ignition coils. This is easy repair. The mechanic would have cost around $1,500 though, so simply buying the parts and doing it yourself is a no-brainer. These are the spark plugs that I'll be replacing them with, and here is the socket I'm using. They make specific spark plug sockets, but this is a generic socket. The main purpose is to be able to get the spark plugs out using a spark plug socket, but I'll show you a way around that if you don't have a spark plug socket on hand. Here are the coils I'm using as well. So you're going to want to unclip each of these and unplug them. And get these out of the way. Now these should pop right out, and you can put these to the side. Alright. So now take your socket and carefully line it up in there. And unscrew. So after you fully loosen it, you'll see it will kind of fall to the side. You know it's out of there. And if you don't have a spark plug socket, you can use the coil to pick it right up and take it out like that. And you can go ahead and do that for each of these. Now finally, we're going to take our new spark plug and our new coil, and we're going to place it in there like this. Once it's all the way in there, we can go ahead and push this in, and you can partially screw it in like this, and then once it's ready you can pop it out and you'll see the spark plugs in there partially threaded, and you have this out. So now you can take your tool again and screw it the rest of the way in. Okay, so the torque spec on this is 23 Newton meters, give or take 3 Newton meters. So you'll need a torque wrench to check that. And a general rule of thumb is once it's snug, go an extra quarter turn, like that. And you have your spark plug in. Then you can go ahead and put your coil back in. Okay. So here are all the clean coils and spark plugs replaced on the car. This will fix a P0300 error code on these cars most of the time. It's a faulty spark plug and a cylinder misfire. So there you have it. This fixed my issue, and this was only $160 or so. Much better than the $1,550 that the mechanic offered to fix this. So there you have it. And then the cover goes just like that.